Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off ads that you see within the My Talking Tom Friends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the My Talking Tom Friends game on your device. And once you open it up, you will be able to complete the basic tutorial levels to gain a basic understanding of the game and also start playing. Now, if you get various different ads within your game, then you may turn off this feature as well. Just tap on the gear icon at the top left corner and then tap on internet-based ads. You will now see the dialog which asks you whether you would like to turn off the internet-based ads. Go ahead and tap on the yes button, and now this will turn off the ads within your game right away. You may come back to this menu and then select the no option if you wish to re-enable ads in order to gain various rewards. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off ads within the My Talking Tom Friends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.